Today, I am giving you a tour of 9156 West Roma Avenue in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. Welcome to this bright and inviting 3-bedroom, 2-bath home tucked in the heart of Phoenix. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the sense of openness. Soft, neutral tones and wood-like flooring run throughout the home. At the front of the home, 2 additional bedrooms share a well-appointed guest bathroom. Each room continues the home's warm, cohesive palette and versatile layout. Perfectly located, this home places you near everything: shopping, dining, hiking trails, and local parks, with convenient access to major highways that make exploring the valley effortless. Just beyond the entry, the dining area flows effortlessly into the kitchen, a true centerpiece of the home. Here you'll find a large center island with a sink, stainless steel appliances, stone countertops, and a subway tile backsplash. The living room, filled with natural light, offers a seamless connection to the backyard, the perfect place to relax or entertain. Tucked away at the back of the home, the primary suite provides a private retreat. With soft light, a walk-in closet, and a beautifully tiled walk-in shower, this space feels peaceful, the kind of room you look forward to returning to at the end of each day. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Outside, the backyard offers plenty of room to unwind, entertain, or simply enjoy the fresh air, surrounded by easy-to-maintain landscaping. Schedule your showing today.